This proves God hates me. Look at that shit. Impassable. Now I have to walk on the roadway, which various diverse people, look at this trash truck coming, are trying to kill me. I actually had some brilliant young woman freaking come right up to my knee practically. Oh, lovely day. Yay. Oh, this is just delightful. Hello. Ha 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 ha. Oh, I love this so much. Look at this. Look at that crap. It's winter wonderland, as they always say in the cliche. Here's the guy. How you? Some of these people really think this is like a daredevil exercise. You know, like, well, this is my lane. You shouldn't be in here. Hey, people that'll walk right up, drive right up to you and try to run you down. La 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 la. Had some big old bullet-headed freak earlier. Wondering if the presence of a camera would have a beneficial effect on the citizenship of these lovely drivers, because nothing else does. This is just something else. Yeah, and it's snowing again too, on top of everything else. We apologize for the framing of these documentary films, because at this juncture we are not looking at that, we're watching the road, holding this up and hoping to get over here to safety in one piece, including gear. I don't know if my muffled narrative will be understandable. See, the typical thing when these people come around this corner is, like this guy here, they want to get in the outermost lane because they want to race everybody else. See, some of them here pay attention and they're getting over it. Lots more just like to continuously try to funk you. Yeah, it's quite possible that carrying something in your hand has an emulating effect on these people. Because nothing else does. Uh-oh. Older car. Look at that confusion. Slow down. Oh, no, what he's doing. He might have a black helicopter or something. Here's a fatty that took a while to get over. I'm in a full ski mask, and I can assure you that I cannot see part of where I'm going. This is going to be a tricky juncture. Even though this weather is obviously... See, this smart car, I got to stay in that lane the whole time because my car's smart. I'm not, but my car is. Wow. Good issue. I'm not really sure where the normal bearings are. And here we go. Beep beep. Now typically, this turn lane is occupied by a bunch of people that want to kill you. They go zooming around here regardless what the light says. Right now the light's on their side. But of course nobody's turning. Now when I go to cross the street, when I have my little man, they'll be trying to run me down. Look at that. Lovely. Here we go. Now we have between 20 and 30 seconds before the light cycles to change. Once it's like 1001. Now I counted my time up and it variously goes, so yay! Fly, traffic, fly! Oh, there goes my bus. One of them. It's gonna be tricky. And I cannot see what I'm doing right now. God damn it. Keep this hat rolled up so that I can. Certainly taken a long time to switch over today too. There seems to be a variety of settings. The weekend is unbelievable. That's what I gotta go through once I get over there too. My thumb is freezing from holding this. Here they come. Here come the racers. Oh, apparently this thing isn't going to change at all. Oh my God. This should have changed a while ago, actually. Here we go. And here we go. There used to be 4 lanes of traffic. Oh, this is good. I want to go. I even got a right to go. The light says I can kill anybody in my way. Uh-oh. Amateur mistake. Fingers in front of the camera. This will be nice tonight when it melts. I got to get in this lane. This record of traffic and the improprieties committed therefore are for future history, if any. Nasty. The nasty files. I gotta get my big truck through here. Oh, good Lord. I want in this lane. What's he doing? I want this one. Look at that pile of snow where I normally walk. I don't understand. This is my lane. I'm dead, Eddie. My helmet, I'm dead. Yes. Yes, Wilberforce, yes. The hell am I gonna get over here? And here comes another nut job here. Wow. What a lovely weather where you have to really go out of your way. Okay, I'm temporarily signing off.